Morning, everyone. It is 8:29 on this Monday morning, beginning of a new week, and this is your pre-opening comment video number 1853. I'm going to keep this short because there's not a lot to talk about. The stock futures are higher, not by a whole lot, up 46 in the Dow, up 12 in the NASDAQ, and up just under 7 in the S&P. Chart on the screen is the oil, which again has started off higher high, higher low for the week. Let's go to the daily and take a little bit better look because I want to show you where we're running into some resistance up here. This is between 82 and just under 84, 83.47. But as you can see, we are riding the 5-day. All of the moving averages are turned up. It is a little overbought, um, but it has been really strong. Other futures to look at today, I think the gold and silver looks great. Silver is only up 0.2%, and gold is uh, down $2.40, which is certainly not much. It's had a pretty nice run. It came down last week on Thursday, down 24. I don't even remember what the information was that did it, but it is holding here at 1980, and so I'm looking for it to go up. An interesting looking chart that I saw in one of my services, you take a look at the 10-year monthly. This rally to a new high was kind of parabolic, and it gave back 500 points. This one was kind of the same way. The most current one has not seen that kind. This is 560 points, uh, high to low. So far here, we've only come down from just under 2100 to 1900. That's half the move. If we turn here, I see this much higher. Looking at it even a little further out, you see that we had a nice rounding bottom here. Looks like a bit of a saucer, and cup and handle here. So I'm very bullish there, and the silver has not kept up. Okay, other stocks. We have Yellow Freight suspending all operations. They are filing for bankruptcy. I don't know that anybody is in it, and it's at 40 or 50 cents. Not something to be concerned about, but the fact of the matter is, once these companies start with their actual bankruptcy proceedings, there'll be a bunch of idiots who will come in and trade it right back up. SoFi, on better guidance for the next quarter, has made a new recovery high at $10.44. Last is $10.04, but that is substantially higher. I'll tell you exactly what it is. It is now $10.19, and that is up 64 cents, or just under 7%. We're long there. I'm disappointed I'm not going to get the opportunity to double that position like we did in the TECK. But, we're in it. We'll make some money in it. As far as other news this morning, Asia is up slightly. Europe is sharply unchanged. We had a couple of banks in the Eurozone fail their stress test. I think 3 or 4. They haven't named them yet, but you know, Johnson and Johnson on the court ruling that is against Johnson and Johnson on putting the talc claims in bankruptcy. So that's down almost $3. Ford is down 15 cents with an 870,000 unit recall of F 150s. Walmart is a little bit higher, only 23 cents. That's a tenth of a percent, buying out the flip art, which is Flipkart, I'm sorry, which I assume is a delivery system. Hasbro, 6411 up to 11, 3.4, upgraded at Bank of America to a buy. Adobe upgraded to overweight at Morgan Stanley. It is 542.63 up almost 14. Carvana downgraded to underperform at Jeffries. It's really not moving much. Chevron up 251 or 1.6, upgrade from neutral to buy at Goldman Sachs, and Salesforce is down about $3.50 or 1.5% on a downgrade to equal weight at Morgan Stanley. We do have some market moving stuff this week. We have ISM manufacturing and non manufacturing. We have July employment report on Friday, and we have Apple and Amazon, which are both up slightly with the rest of the market, but they report after the close on Thursday. All right, folks, that's about it. Oh, I saw Oppenheimer over the weekend. It was really great. And speaking of that, the new Disney movie, I believe, was a bit of a flop this weekend as Barbie and Oppenheimer absolutely controlled the box office for the second week in a row.